Okay, here's the second video. What you're going to do is underline your terms, and those are the big numbers, okay, and count them. And then we're going to set up our factoring boxes. If we have two terms, it's just going to be the GCF box. But if there's three terms, we're going to make the GCF box followed by a bigger box with the T table. Okay, so I underline my terms, -3 and 30, just like that, and that's two terms. So if I have two terms, I just make the GCF box. Then put GCF equals down below. Okay, next one. I would want to put a 1 there, so there's 1x squared, 2x, and 24. That's three terms. And don't ever count 0 as a term. Don't ever underline 0. That's three underlines. So I'll be making my GCF box like I did up here. Equals 0 behind it, and then GCF equals, and then I make my bigger box, a much longer box, make it as big as you can, split it down the middle, and put a T table up there. Okay, underline, that's two terms. So two terms is just the GCF box. Just write GCF down below it. Okay, put a 1 in front. 1, 2, 3. That's three terms. So I make my GCF box. And then I make my T. Okay, next, underline 2 and 16, just two terms there. So that's just the GCF box. Okay, and then that's all I need because there's two terms. Okay, next one, x squared, I would want to put a 1 there, and that's three terms. So GCF box, and then you make another box, split it in half with your T table. Okay, next up, put a 1 in front, underline your terms, and there's three on this one. There's either going to be 2 or 3. So three terms would be the GCF. And then the T box, okay. Big box has to be split down the middle with your table. Okay. That's two terms. And that's just your GCF box. Don't need another box with 2 for now at this point. Okay, underline, that's two terms, and that's just your GCF box. Okay, you want to put a 1 here, that's three terms, so that's going to be the GCF. And a bigger box, split it in half, put your T table. Okay, and the last two, 40 and 20, that's two terms. That's just the GCF box. Okay, and then the last one, 1, 3, 54. That's three terms. Bigger box, underline it, make your T-table. I'll put GCF underneath it, underneath the GCF box. Okay.